This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bagel bites at home. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a delightful snack that's perfect for any occasion. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your items to baking them to golden perfection. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up a batch of these warm, cheesy, and utterly satisfying mini bagels. It's a fun and rewarding cooking adventure. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a package of mini bagels, about 1/2 cup of your favorite pizza sauce, and approximately 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. For extra flavor, consider adding toppings like mini pepperonis, finely diced bell peppers, or cooked crumbled sausage. Having everything ready makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the fun part, assembly. Place your mini bagel halves on a baking sheet. Spread about 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce on each half, then generously sprinkle approximately 2 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella cheese. Add your desired toppings. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Once your homemade bagel bites are out of the oven, let them cool for just a couple of minutes. They'll be hot and perfectly gooey. Serve them warm as a quick snack, a party appetizer, or a fun meal. Remember, the beauty of making these at home is the endless customization. Enjoy your delicious, freshly baked bagel bites, knowing you made them yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.